to my YouTube channel. My name's Lydia. This is Vicky. Welcome to today's how-to series where I'm going to be taking you through, within each episode, a couple of prep poses on how we master a peak pose. In today's episode, I am looking at how we can come into 8-angle pose, Astavakrasana. So in 8-angle, it's one of my favorite postures actually because it's requiring so many things going on. First of all, you've got upper arm strength, kind of hold you up there in your arm balance. You obviously need to fire up the core to sustain you in the pose. And you need a bit of flexibility around your hip joints here, especially for 8-angle pose. So let's come and meet on the mat, everyone.
First pose that I recommend is Uttanprishtasana, which is your lizard pose. This is an asana that really starts to open up your hip here. You can lower the back knee if that feels more accessible for you. Stay on the palms or maybe start to lower down onto the forearms. Breathe into that hip here as you sink a little bit deeper. Low lunge, Anjaneyasana, is a wonderful posture for you to stretch your back thigh and really get into the psoas muscle, and again sink into the hip flexor of the bent knee at the front. Any arm variations are welcome here. To keep it simple, just keep your hands resting on top of that front thigh. You can also reach the arms back to include a back bend if you wish. Chaturanga Dandasana is a wonderful posture to incorporate as part of your training because it's giving you the opportunity to strengthen through the arms. And remember, when you're coming into 8-angle, your arms are effectively next to your waist like in Chaturanga. Reclining Pigeon pose is a great posture for you to practice on supine position. So you're lying on your back. Just thread your hands through and hold the top of your knee. Keep your front foot flexed here and start to feel that wonderful stretch into your glutes and the sides of your thigh. Keep your shoulders and the head heavy in this pose. From seated, bend one knee and come into your leg cradle pose. Imagine as though you're rocking a baby from side to side here. It's a really wonderful one to start to extend your hips and really open up through. You can choose to stay here, or the next transition that might be quite beneficial as well is to move into your compass pose. Right hand holds on to the outer edge of the left foot. Place your left hand in front of you, tricep holding, pushing the back of the thigh back, and then really starting to extend that top leg all the way. Now your gaze will be underneath your right armpit. You can use a strap if it's too difficult to hold on to the foot. Using blocks to prepare yourself for 8-angle pose is very useful, and it makes it a little bit easier for you here when you're leveraging yourself up a little bit more. So hook that left knee as high as you can above the shoulder, like you're hooking on a backpack. Place the palms on top of the blocks. Lift your right leg off the floor into elephant pose. Right foot on top of left. Bend the elbows simultaneously as you shoot your legs out towards the side. Keep engaging the core here and breathe. Ready for the full pose? Well, you've done it already, except on blocks. This time, hands on the mat. Lift the foot up, crisscross the feet, bend the elbows, and squeeze your thighs. Very good, everyone. Have some fun in this pose.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me in today's how-to series. I hope that you found it useful. Remember to keep practicing, and if you've got any questions or comments, feel free to drop it right down in the comment section below. And Keep in touch. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for weekly classes to your inbox. Stay safe, everyone. Namaste.